Hello my hair warriors, it's me, your friendly neighborhood hairdresser, Aaron O'Brien. And today we are going to talk about haircuts, but not just any haircut, haircuts for your face shape. This video is sponsored by my amazing friends at Lordhair.com. You better check them out for some of the best hair systems. But first of all, let's get going. The first face shape is the oval face shape, commonly known as the perfect face shape. What's perfect anymore? But we have some hairstyles that will suit this type of face shape. We start off with the long slick back haircut, which is really soft on an oval face shape. So then we have the fringe up just like this. Usually this is more on the centered because oval face shapes are symmetrical on either side. So anything where you have anything off the face always looks fantastic. Almost every haircut suits the oval face shape, so you can nearly take your pick from anything. The next face shape is a square face shape. Now with a square face shape, we want to soften things out and round things up. So a really good haircut is the rounded crew haircut. So that's where we go a little bit tight at the side and shorter at the top. But instead of having a boxed edge, we want to round those edges off, and that'll soften the overall squared look. Next we have a longer faux hawk, where if you have a square face shape and you have slightly longer and softer sides and just slightly pushed back into that faux hawk style, it just gives a nice delicate look to a square face shape. Again, giving a softer, more friendly look. Next for a square face shape is that slicked back side part. Again, when we come to a square face shape, we want to add softness and roundness to your look. So with a side part and slicked back, it automatically gives that rounded shape, softening out the look. All about keeping those sides a little bit longer as well, just to soften up around the face. The next face shape is the oblong. The oblong is a little bit skinnier at the sides, but it is longer. So a few haircuts can really suit this and make your face look even more beautiful. We're going to start off with the buzz cut, but not just any buzz cut. We want to add a little bit of a bang as well, or fringe as they say in Ireland. We're going to just basically shorten the face shape and frame it a little bit better by adding a soft bang around the face. The next haircut is a side fringe. So this is where you leave it a little bit softer at the sides and you have a side swoop fringe, or bang as they say in Canada. So with that, it's going to add softness, it's also going to lower the forehead and frame the face a little bit better, and it's going to make you look even more handsome. Our next face shape is the triangular face shape. Triangle face shapes are usually a bit wider at the jaw and it's a little bit smaller as it comes up to the top of the forehead. So we want to round things off there as well and add something that frames the face a little bit better. So when it comes to this, we want to leave it a little bit longer at the sides, and we can do a bit of a side sweep as well and leaving a little bit more length on top. So this gives a rounder look and it really evens up the top section to that beautiful jaw. The next haircut we can do is a bit of a middle part. So we're going to style the hair again a little bit longer at the sides, a little bit longer at the top as well, and just give those open bangs too. So what that'll do is it'll widen out the forehead, and again will match out your jaw to give you that perfect feature. Our next face shape is the round face shape. Now what we want to do with round face shapes is start to square it off a little bit when it comes to our haircuts. So our first haircut is a fade with a box edge and some texture on top. What that means is you're going to start off shorter at the side, and then you're going to elevate and take the haircut facing out slightly to give a more boxy edge. Then you're going to add a little bit more texture on top just to make the look a bit more edgy. Thank you for watching my video, and again thanks to Lordhair.com for sponsoring these beautiful videos. Don't forget to subscribe and click the links below, and I'll see you all soon.